Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up branch protection rules. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, we need just to go to any repository where you want to set up your branch protection rules. So let's suppose that we want to use this repository, and basically now we will be needing to go to the settings. So from settings we will need to go to security or rule sets. So here we go to settings, and basically there is the general options, accesses, and here we will have the code and automations, and basically we will find here the rules. And basically from the rules you will be able to start adding some rule sets for your branches. And basically, I'm just going to click on rule set, and from here you will add a new branch rule set. So basically, it will add a rule for your branch. You can name it, for example, permission, or name it whatever you like, and it should be something meaningful. And this one, it will be active. So if you want to activate these rule sets, and from here you can add bypass. That means who can bypass these rule sets, or whose roles won't have these rule sets that would apply on. And basically you will start adding target branches, either it is the main or the default, and those are the rules that you want to restrict, either require linear history, restricts updates, and you can choose whatever you like. And at the end you will be needing to create the rule set, and then it will be applied. And of course you will need also to have targeting criteria. You can just include all branches or only the default branches, which is the main, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.